Good morning everyone. We are still in these beautiful Croatian hills and today we got something super exciting on the menu, which is possibly going to be off-roading, but I shall pass it on to the Jack because he has...
It is off-roading.
It is? Yeah, and he has a map. Don't you just like a map?
So we are still in mid-Croatia, close to the Bosnian border.
Yep.
This trail's been recommended. We've been at this campsite north of the lake for a week now, and yeah, this trail takes off into the mountains literally and actually crosses the Bosnian border for a moment, so we'll be illegals for that time there. Also apparently crosses a minefield, so stick to the track, you know. We're turning around, but it's about 66 kilometres. It's marked as difficult, but quite a few different people have done it, and you can see the different trails here on Wiki Lock. So we thought we'd give it a go. Should be about 5 or 6 hours in total. Maybe we'll stop somewhere. Yeah, very exciting. Go see what we find, eh?
Yeah.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make this happen.
But first, I think we should go for a morning swim. I mean, what a good way to start the weekend, so bring it on.
Let's do it.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Not sunbathing position. Once again, in Croatian wilderness, there is unseen creature rolling underneath the car.
Into the mountains we go.
Yay!
Do the final checks, let some air out the tyres, and we're good to go.
Yep.
If you wonder why I'm doing this, it's because I'm going to check the level of the gearbox before we set off on a long trip out bush.
It is getting a little bit narrow and I'm getting a little bit twitchy. It's been actually also a while since we've been off-roading somewhere in a different country other than our own home country, and just two of us as well. So not gonna lie, a little bit nervous, but I know that once we throw ourselves again out of that comfort zone, you know, therefore we start to feel a bit more comfortable. So gotta do it. But again, we're not gonna take any risks. We never have, unless there's no other way. Yeah, exactly. So that's our number one rule: safety first. Look at that mountain. So cool.
It's a cow.
Okay, thank you. Good ladies, that's it.
To the left.
That's it. Explain!
A bloody giant hornet like that just came in and got stuck in. We were like...
We were literally
Bail.
like, ah! Like that, panicking. I opened the door swung down because we were like, swung back. Yeah, I'm like, ah. It's getting a little bit Oola Loompa.
It is.
Up and down and drop.
Very rocky.
Yes. Oh dear. There we go.
Gently does it.
Can you see them? Got windows shut in this.
Look, opens up here.
Woo! Lovely. Is it? You know what that means?
Calm before the storm.
That's it. Uh-oh.
Stick to the track. Fancy a new house, about 25k on bumpy tracks from anywhere.
Actually, really tempted, not gonna lie.
Be a good apocalypse house, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Just needs a new roof.
I mean, I would love to wander in, if I'm honest, but I don't like the idea of stepping on a mine.
Doesn't look like there's any, well, maybe easy access there. We'll go across ticks or mines.
Which one's worse?
It's a bit, probably full of roof.
Yeah.
Mains of a village. Someone's patched it up somewhere.
Yeah, trying to keep it.
Could have been destroyed during the war. But that house looks like it's still going.
Yeah. Kinda, someone's trying to do something.
Sure.
And this one's gone. A few of them gone. We are 1,000 meters above the sea level. Seems like we have to climb another 300 meters up. But everything's starting to look a bit barren. Like Jack said earlier, it's probably covered in snow in the winter time.
Sure we're not 1,000 metres up from where we started. We were already supposed to be 1,000 metres up by the lake now. That's what the lady at the campsite said, we're already 1,000 metres above the sea level, so I'm guessing we're about 2,000.
Right, I know we gained about 950 meters.
Yeah, so we're nearly at 2,000 metres of elevation.
Right, well that's me trying to figure out how WikiLoc stats section works, and obviously, anyway, cancel everything I just said. Just enjoy the view. I asked Jack can we stop somewhere for lunch so I can make chickpea salad. Currently the car is in this position. Big because there was a big rock, so you can angle the car in a right position to take a photo. Okay. There he is. Photo bomb! That's narrow.
Gateway.
It is. Brilliant. Gosh, it's like a giant hole down there. That's so barren.
Big bird up there.
What?
Big birds.
Having fun?
It's a good trail. Very bumpy, lumpy.
Bumpy lumpy.
But the tyres down at like 20 psi. It's pretty comfortable, so doing a good job of it.
Yeah, I've also keep seeing lots of signs. Oh, and the flies attacking me at the same time as I speak. Lots of signs for the mines, and I am not sure, but that there, it's like almost perfect circle. I've seen a few of those around. My guess is something to do with previous war. Don't know, what do you think? Any one of you know? Pop it in a comment. Whilst I'm talking, what's happening in here?
Well, yeah, I thought I might get away with it.
What?